What do you mean by emissive power? Emittance or emissive power is the total amount of thermal energy emitted per unit area per unit time for all possible wavelengths. Emissivity of a body at a given temperature is the ratio of the total emissive power of a body to the total emissive power of a perfectly black body at that particular temperature. The answer to this question is very simple. It is the amount of radiation emitted per unit time. Will a steel cable become longer if it is heated while under load? Even the heaviest steel cables stretch under load, whether they heat or not. Heating the cable will certainly elongate it. Friction caused by guides or pulley can greatly increase the temperature of a cable under load. Under what condition the thermal boundary layer thickness will be equal to the hydrodynamic boundary layer thickness? The answer here is when Prandtl number is unity.